Welcome class 10 to the part A. The topics is same chapter carbon and its compound class 10 chemistry. Now, why carbon undergo covalent bonding? क्यों कार्बन दूसरे एलिमेंट नॉन मेटल के साथ वो आपका शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स करके वो आपका कंपाउंड बनाता है. See here, first of all we study from here. See, carbon having how much? Atomic number 6. So in the first cell the carbon is having 2 electrons. In the second cell carbon is having 4 electrons. तो कितना हो गया 6. सपोज अगर कार्बन 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को अगर ऐड करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन बिकम इक्वल टू नियॉन, because neon is having atomic number of 10. Suppose if it lose these 4 electrons, तो क्या हो जाएगा? It will have only 2 electrons, means it will attain the configuration of a helium. So in both the cases, if I add 4 electrons, it will have the configuration of क्या हो जाएगा? Neon. अगर मैं ये 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज करूंगा तो क्या होगा? It will have the configuration of a helium. So in both the case, it will have the noble gas configuration. Sorry. So that's why carbons never add 4 electrons or gain 4 electrons, because in that both cases it will have the noble gas configuration, means unreactive. That's why carbon prefer not to add 4 electrons or lose 4 electrons. As simple as that. Please copy it. Pause and just copy it. Okay, pause and just copy it. Okay, pause and just copy it. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel, Chemistry with Qureshisir.